How to change Roblox name tag color. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Roblox application. Now, here on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options. Click on more there. Now, there is no specific option or capability your Roblox on mobile can change your name tag color. So even though if you're gonna go to your settings, there's still no way you can change your name tag color. Now, to do that is here under more section here, click on help. Now, after clicking on help, you will see your search bar icon here which says search our tickets. Articles rather. Click on that and then search for how do I, and then here you will see how do I change the color of my name in an experience. So basically click on that, and as you can see, it will redirect you to this article which says currently in experience name colors are assigned to random. So at this time there is no way to manually assign this color or to change it. So basically there is no way where you can change your Roblox name tag color as of now, because the Roblox community haven't completely has that feature. So all you have to do is to wait for the Roblox community to add that feature, and basically that is it, and that is how you change your Roblox name tag color. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.